Welcome back to our mini-series of the do's and don'ts of social dancing. Today's topic number 2 is going to be mostly for the leaders out there. Don't use all of your moves at once in the beginning of the dance. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you can stay updated with all of our content that we're going to be uploading weekly. So for this topic, I'm mostly talking to all of you leaders out there. I know you guys are hungry to be learning new patterns and to be making sure that you're practicing all of those patterns while social dancing. But in the beginning of the dance is not when you want to throw out all of your moves. So when it comes to social dancing, it's not about how many moves you know, and it's not about how fast you can put all of those moves together, right? It's about that connection to your partner and the connection to the music. And most of the time, the followers want to have a smooth and relaxed dance, and they don't want to be being turned and turned and turned and new turn pattern every other second in the dance. So here's what you should do in the beginning of a social dance. Number 1, you should be connecting to your partner. So this is when you use your basics. So you use your basic step, you use your crossbody lead, you use your right turn, and in these moments of the dancing, you're feeling out your partner, you're feeling out their level, and you're also feeling out the song, right? So what you don't want to do is start the dance with the crossbody lead and start cranking her into a triple turn right away. No, it's not about that. You want to know her level, and it's about always adjusting to your partner, right? And while doing your basics, you're going to be able to do that. The second thing that you should do is also grow with the song, right? Just like a book, a song has different chapters, and it has an introduction, and it usually rises to a climax and then falls. So that's what you want to do with your dancing. You don't want to start your dancing, your social dance, with a climax and all of these turn patterns at once. No, listen to the song, let the song grow, and let your patterns also grow with your partner. That's how you're going to be able to connect more with the song, and also your partner's going to enjoy it a lot more as well. So to wrap everything up, guys, it's not about how many moves you know, and it's not about how fast you can do them all at once. It's about connecting to your partner, connecting to the music, and having fun.
Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there!